Quick auto quote, the fastest way to a quote. To navigate the quick auto quote, we open up a browser and we navigate to easyautoquote.net. And if we're logged off, we need to click login/out, enter our credentials, and click login. On this screen, we ask the customer their name, how much money they plan on putting down, and their verified credit score after we ran it in-house. We click continue. And now we have to go through the process of selecting the vehicles. The easiest way to do that is to scroll down and select a model, Accord sedan in this case, and click search. And we know that we're going to compare various trim levels. So for this particular example, we'll take the ES, EX, the XL, and the V6. Now there's 4 vehicles listed, and we're going to take 1, 2, and 3. And as you see, as we select that, this number goes up. And we click continue. And at this point, we have the 3 vehicles up to compare, and we can select the payment by tapping on the payment or the lease payment. If we want to show the calculations for each of the payments, we select this box, and you'll see that the specifics change based on which payment we select. Once we have this displayed to the client, we can ask the client which payment do they prefer. And in this particular case, let's say they prefer the lowest payment. And we click accept. And we ask them again, please verify for me which payment you prefer. And they'll say they accept the purchase payment, and we click print. At this point, you can print out this report and provide it to the client. Now, it is important to note that if you want to add value adds, we can go in and say, let's add the gap insurance. And let's add the all-season floor mats. At this point, you go value adds and you return to the quote, and all the figures will change based on the selection of those 2 items. So notice that the purchase payment price has gone up on the Accord EX. The other thing that we can do is, if you want to remove a vehicle, you can remove the vehicle from a quote and then add another vehicle. But again, selection on the payment, click accept, accept the purchase payment and or accept the lease payment, and click print. And that's quick auto quote, the fastest way to a quote.